I use to do that. So let me go take you over here. With all that being said, I'm going to take you over here and give you an idea of what we do here. Now, if you look down here, okay guys, now if you kind of look down here, these are my crabs that I just got out of my bin earlier this morning. That when I stockpile them, I try to get a couple of dozen and I keep them in my barrel out there on the water. And then I'll dispatch them as humanely as I possibly can. And we go ahead and we bring them inside, cut them in half. Because with this machine, you have to cut them in half because you can't put a whole crab through it. So I'm going to give you a quick idea, close-up shot if I can, on how that has been done. Okay, so first, I take my crabs out of my packages here, and I got them dispatched and cut in half like this. And I put that down so you can see that. You cut them in half. And then with this machine over here, which I love, we take that half of it, you put the crabs in there like that. Hopefully you can see that. And this is a half a roll type thing. If you notice, there's the crab meat right there. And I'm going to roll this like so. And if you notice it pushes the crab meat out. I hope you guys can see that, because it's kind of hard to do this and monitor the camera at the same time. And all of this is pure crab meat. Let me do another one there so you can see how it's done. I put it on this little thing right here. And I'm going to take it, I'm going to roll it. And when I roll it like that, what it's doing is pushing that crab meat out of the shell. And as you see, we're pulling all that crab meat out of there. These two containers here are full of crab meat. Each one holds a pint of crab meat. And that's pure crab meat. Hope you guys can see that pretty good. And show you the rest of the crab meat over here. You get a close-up of it. Those two right there, those are full of crab meat. And let's see if we can get you closer on it. As you can probably see, let's go out a little. It's pure crab meat. And it comes from this little machine here that, as I said, you just take it and you roll it, and it pushes out that meat like that. And this is the carcass of what's left of it, which are flattened. And these are the whole ones that half ones that I'm utilizing right here. But basically, guys, that's about really all that's really been done as far as getting that crab meat together. And as I said, I'm going to try to do a little distance on that so you can get a better picture of me doing it. Let's try a couple more. Just take a quarter of it like that, at least a half of it like that. Put it in our little machine here. And we roll it. Whoops, it came off. So I pushed all that crab meat out. Pure crab meat, folks, that I use for my gumbo. And my crab cakes and whatever else I make. And trust me, being out here on the Gulf Coast, I love my gumbo year round. And so, with all that being said, guys, I hope that you kind of picked up on the little things that Old School was doing here with his crabbing. and how I extract my crab meat and get it all ready for gumbo. Last year I made a mistake. I didn't catch enough crabs and I ran out of crab meat, so I had a few months there that I didn't have my gumbo, but I said this year I'm gonna be plenty prepared. So far I probably have about maybe 15 pints of crab meat that I've been collecting and extracting these past few months. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you, oh, by the way, we went well over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I want to thank each and every one of you for doing that for me, because that means a whole lot to me, that you actually believe in me and believe in my channel and the things that I'm trying to do. But I love it, and I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing because you keep inspiring me. But with all that being said, this is Old School Will. You guys have a blessed day.